Now students, we will do the exercise and question answer of this chapter. So first is the multiple choice questions. Which of the following organ does not secrete digestive juice? So answer is the esophagus. Second, which organ produces bile? So correct option is liver. Third, bile juice is stored in which organ? So answer is the gallbladder. Fourth one is the starch is digested by enzyme amylase. Fifth, proteins in stomach are digested by enzymes pepsin. B part is true and false. First, digestion of starch start in the stomach. False. Second, hydrochloric acid is present in the stomach. True. Third, saliva help in digestion of proteins. False. Fourth, fat is completely digested in stomach. False. Fifth, proteins get digested to amino acids in small intestine. True. C part is fill in the blanks. Saliva is secreted by the salivary glands. Second, the long muscular tube that lead from buccal cavity to the stomach is called esophagus or the food pipe. You can write either esophagus or the food pipe. Bile juice help in digestion of fats. Fourth, tongue forms the floor of the buccal cavity and has taste buds. We taste the food with the help of taste bud present on the tongue. Fifth, lipase act on fats and convert it into fatty acids and the glycerol. D part is the match the following. So first, presence of villi in the small intestine. Hydrochloric acid, so correct option is stomach. Hydrochloric acid present in the stomach. Third, production of bile. Production of biles occur in the liver. Fourth, absorption of water in the large intestine. Store indigested food in the rectum. Now students, we will do the question answers. So you have to write the heading, then question 1, then answer. I have written only answers, but you have to write the question, then answers. And while doing the question answer in the copy, you should mention in the index also day, date and the lesson number. So first question is, what is the effect of saliva on starch? Saliva converts starch into simple sugar. Starch into simple sugar. Second question is, what does the inner lining of stomach secrete? It secretes gastric juices. Third, state the function of villi in small intestine. Villi increases surface area for absorption. Fourth question is, what is the function of gallbladder? Gallbladder stores bile juices secreted by liver. Fifth question is, what is the role of saliva in digestion of food? Saliva converts starch into sugar through amylase. Amylase is an enzyme. Then sixth question, name the various parts of alimentary canal. The various parts of alimentary canal are buccal cavity, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the sixth one is the anus. I have not written the rectum because rectum is the part of the large intestine only. Next, seventh question is, give the name and function of the digestive juice secreted by liver. Liver secreted bile juice when digest fat. Eighth one is, what is the role of hydrochloric acid in the stomach? Hydrochloric acids kill bacteria. Ninth question is, no digestion occur in large intestine, yet it is important part of digestive system. Explain. Its main function is absorption of water and egestion of waste. 10th question is, what is indigestion? It refers that food not being digested properly. 11th question is, give 3 healthy habits. Students, you can write any 3 good healthy habits, but I have written this much. But you can write your own points also. First, be regular with your meal timing. Second, do not have dinner very late in the evening. Third, always wash hands before and after eating. 12th question is, give end product of digestion. So in digestion we have carbohydrates, proteins and fats. First, carbohydrates, starch into simple sugar, example glucose through amylase. Then proteins, protein changes into amino acids through the enzyme pepsin. Then fats change it into fatty acid and glycerol in the presence of enzyme lipase. 13th question is, name the enzyme that help in digestion of protein. So answer is the pepsin. 14. What is the role of amylase in digestion, where it is released in the digestive system? It converts starch into sugar. In digestive system, it is released in the mouth. 15th last question. Draw a well-leveled diagram of human digestive system. So students, you have to draw figure 4.1. Students, you have to draw this diagram along with the labeling also. Means you have to label different parts also. And if you want to use the color, you can use, but it should be drawn very neatly. Next are the HOTS, means high order thinking skill. So first question is, why do we get instant energy by drinking glucose? I already told glucose is a simple sugar and directly absorbed into the blood and give instant energy. Second, can we survive only raw leafy vegetable or grass? Explain. No, because we cannot get all the nutrients from raw vegetables. Because in raw vegetable we didn't get the carbohydrates, proteins and fats, but we need all types of nutrients. And last question is third one. Why should you not lie down and eat or talk while eating? First, we should not lie down while eating because it causes indigestion. Second, we should not talk while eating because it causes choking of the food pipe. Sometimes when you eat and talk, then food reaches to the windpipe and it cause a problem also. Sometimes you cannot breathe also. So student, these are the question answers exercise. So you have to write the question answers in your copy neatly and learn these question answers for the first term exam.